It's December.
December.
Already. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. It's the last month of the year 2021. Where did the time go?
Where did the time go? This one.
That's a weird song. Today is Alyson's day.
It still smells like poop in here.
Maybe I stepped in poop. Did you step in poop?
I didn't step in poop.
No poop there.
Did you roll in poop?
No, I didn't roll in poop. I'm not a poop roller. I don't really.
I'm talking about the
stroller. I don't think I did. Oh.
Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama.
Let me check. Let me stop.
Because it smells like really bad.
That's weird.
Ew.
I did! Ah! Your dog poops everywhere.
Yeah, we're not doing this.
Listen, this is real life. But if you do not get your dog on a leash and get her to poop in the corner over there, she's got to go.
Okay.
Look, I'm not kidding.
I know.
I can't handle it. I can't handle it, y'all. I can't handle it.
Either.
This dog poops anywhere and everywhere she pleases. On the walkway, in the flower beds.
She has not pooped in the walkway in a while.
You're a liar.
I'm not a liar.
Go find the poop. Press pause. Or done.
That didn't help. Give me a minute. Okay, we're good. She's mad. You gonna tell the class why you're mad?
I'm gonna tell the class that I hate this dog.
Okay, you don't hate her.
I dislike her poop.
Provocatively.
I mean, like, that's my stance. Okay, this dog doesn't care where she poops.
She's a puppy.
I don't care.
She's
like,
14 weeks old.
Not Willow. What was that other dog that we had that I liked, but she ate chickens?
Reba.
Reba at least had the common dignity to know that she had giant dog turds and go poop in the corner.
She was like 6 months old though.
Ugh.
This puppy, she's a puppy.
This puppy needs to take
I'm trying.
in the corner.
Okay? No, you don't just train a dog overnight.
Anyways, it's the month of December.
Jeez.
So I did all of my grocery shopping yesterday. I will not be sharing a grocery shopping haul because I bought Christmas presents. So I really can't have a good total when I can't show you the Christmas presents because my kids watch our YouTube videos. So boom, I will do that in January and show you how I buy almost all of our food for the entire month so that I don't have to go to the grocery store multiple times.
Because we live in a town that's very secluded.
I go to Costco and Sam's Club. Now, I may go to Costco and Sam's Club right before Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Just to make sure that I don't have to go the week after Christmas when everybody's like doing returns and things like that. But that's it. So, yeah. We're on our way to this cute little resale shop around the corner because I found some really awesome pants there a couple weeks ago. And I couldn't remember how long it was, so that's bad. Oh. And Allie needs pants.
Because my pants are ripped. Hence me wearing a skirt today.
Okay, hence. They can't even see your body.
Skirt.
Hence her wearing a skirt today.
He's disappointed.
Oh, Jeremiah's with us. That's why I'm wearing this baby sling so I can strap him on. Boom. What did you say?
I saw a bunch of jewelry. I saw so much.
Put on your pants. Put on your pants. Let me see those pants. Let me see. Okay, so. Here's Jeremiah. This is a cute little consignment shop here in Liberty. I have had luck a few times, so why not give it a shot? Why not try?
They're boot cut.
What's wrong with boot cut?
I'm not some cowgirl.
They look good on you. Turn around.
I can't put my butt on the internet.
They look good.
I don't know.
I think they look good.
I can't even see my legs because I'm so tall.
They look super good.
Oh, I forgot you're a video.
Okay, try the next. Oh, yeah.
Can I come rip them?
And then you could totally rip them. What?
I say,
Oh.
like ripping noises.
Oh. I think they look good.
Cotton Eye Joe. I know.
Why do you do a Cotton Eye Joe every time you try on pants?
That's not even Cotton Eye Joe. I forgot. Please, don't fit.
They don't fit. Let me see.
I can't fit.
They don't fit?
They don't fit.
Okay.
Like this is where the end is.
That's fine.
They don't fit. Oh, my butt doesn't look good.
No, those aren't you. Favorites. Aisle line. All in Walmart.
My goodness, this is a guy from the Star Trek. You should buy him. I don't know.
It has all the coolest clearance stuff.
This is what you put your dog in, bro. You put your dog in it and then you wear it.
Turn around, let me see. Is it really? How much is it?
15.
I don't think you could fit your dog in there.
Yes.
It's a junk.
I could fit
It's
Madison's
a
dog.
pet carrier. It is a pet carrier.
I could fit Madison's dog or my
Like
cat.
shove your cat in there.
I could! And then I could hug it without being allergic to it.
You can walk around with your cat.
I should be scared. And then they have little hooks so you can put their color.
You could put like a kid in it. Did you get her not safe?
You're taking that too far, Mom. But you can put a kid in it. No.
Maybe.
It's from Justice.
The reason I would make y'all hold on to me.
It is hilarious.
No. Oh, or just my hand. We could take the cat on hikes.
I don't know if your cat would want to go on a hike.
He loves us.
I feel like that's a weird.
We should do this. This is a good
We'll get one with the plastic isn't messed up.
This one is plastic, isn't it?
This is interesting.
We're making a good adult choice.
A very good adult choice. I wonder why I don't have any money in the bank.
Don't say that.
Just curious.
Oh my gosh. It's a rose quartz bar? Fake rose quartz. I could put water in this.
Stop it. What does it say?
No bad vibes.
Girl,
How about cheers to you?
Not in a million cheers in years.
How about this tinted candy?
No cheers in the way.
Here's Bang Energy, Bang protein stuff.
And we're out.
We are going to
Food Truck Friday!
Ow! My hand.
Yeah.
I got these fidget toys.
The original fidget toys.
They're so nice. Okay, well they just came back in the thing and I remember, get these fidget toys! I was like,
How would you know? You don't have social.
well, that one boy.
I can see how that can be annoying. So we're going to Food Truck Friday in Dayton. So far we went to a resale shop on Walmart, which was fun.
I want to go to one more resale shop after Food Truck Friday.
Oh, do you want to go to like the trashiest one in Liberty?
No.
Why? You get the best deals. Like,
Okay, well, we'll go there too. But I want to go see those old people again.
You love those old.
I love those. They have crystals for me.
Maybe they'll have a nativity scene. I need a new nativity scene.
Yeah, you do.
That's awesome.
It's a halo for Jesus. It's a hat. That's just.
We need to make some Christmas cards.
We do. We should take photos and be like that one family that was like super fancy and used to send us Christmas cards. Kim.
It was Kim.
It was Kim. I was.
I used to sell essential oils, and
this one lady, she was so fancy.
she was fancy.
Bougie.
Anyways, she was sweet though. Stop. That is violently annoying. She would send Christmas cards. I think she sent me one last year. I hope she sends me one this year. I love seeing the growth of her family. But I was thinking more along the line. Oh, if we have Christmas cards, we're using the pictures that we got.
Never mind. Nope.
What? Bree's really good at taking photos. They look good.
It's not that she's not good at taking photos. That it's just I don't look good in those photos. Like at all.
You
Like,
do.
those are the worst photos I've ever seen.
They're not. I'll look at the picture here. I'm going to show y'all
No.
right here. Same thing.
That's what you say.
Food Truck Friday, guys.
What's up, y'all?
You got it, babe?
I got it. Let's see. Can y'all see that mural over there? It's so beautiful. Dayton is getting so bougie. Struggling to pick, so I'm going to look on their social media. I think I would have done it too. I got your number. Where? Just pick. Just pick. Just pick. Want me to help you? Do you want a sandwich or a thing?
I thought about the crawfish fries, but I don't know how big that is.
Do it.
Crawfish fries? Think
Yep,
so?
because I got fries. What did Allie get?
She got a holy guacamole burger and the fries.
Okay. Just do fries. I mean, like, ask them how big the fries are.
How big is the crawfish fries?
Those fries. I just look on this for $15. I think we should go over that. Yeah. Because we're not going to have any kind of be able to. Look, sister.
Thank you. Gotcha. How long you think, Mike? Okay, thank you, man.
That is so good.
Yeah.
Sausage link. $5 for a sausage link. Friday, and we all got something different. I will link below who we picked and their Instagram. What did you get, Dad?
I got crawfish fries and the sausage link.
Who's that one? No, it's like it's just done. How did we all get fries? We all went to different places. Mine are loaded nacho fries.
She had an option of getting either Cajun seasoning on her fries or ranch seasoning on
I
her
got
fries.
plain. I don't like seasoned fries.
I'm surprised.
Something fun to eat.
No.
I mean, it's fries. Can't be bad. It's good though. Oh, Jeremiah. So I'm just
They
gonna...
did give me an extra fork in case you need it, Allie. In case you drop some of your stuff. There's an extra.
Okay. So we went to Food Truck Friday. I don't know how much actually got recorded because apparently I need to delete my old videos off my phone or my phone says I don't have enough storage. So here we are. I know I got a picture. So Allie had that delicious burger.
Yum.
James had crawfish fries.
Mm.
And I had nacho fries.
Yum.
Basically, like taco fries. Allie, what would you give yours?
7 or 8. I say 8. It was good.
Where did it come from?
It came from Hippie Lunchbox.
Lunchbox Hippie?
Lunchbox Hippie. Dad's I give...
No. Dad gives his own. Dad?
I'd say probably a 6. Needs more crawfish and more seasoning.
Or seasoned crawfish. Make like hot, spicy crawfish.
Yeah. Mine was an 8, definitely. It was good. I just have
What's wrong with you? You're like...
He was trying to poke me in the face with a fork!
So you put your head against the fork?
Well, see, I was going to be gentle and just touch you, and then you stab yourself.
You're mean to me.
Mom, how do you feel about crawfish? I mean...
About my taco fries?
Mm-hmm.
They were good. Will I do Food Truck Friday again?
The people want to know.
Can you back it up? Yes.
Commercial break.
Yeah, I will. I will, but I will definitely do Lunchbox Hippie. I thought it was the best out of the 3, for sure. Now, mind you, there's a ton of other,
I'll probably try a barbecue joint.
there's a ton of other stuff over there. But there was only 3 of us, so you can't,
And
like...
All of our trash.
there's 3 different barbecue joints, so.
Some more. It's a trend. Here, well, I'll do it myself. Put some more.
What did she say? Food Truck Friday was a success. Alright, let's nurse. No, we need to nurse. You need the boobs. Let's get some food. Let's get some food. No. Num nums. Kick off. This is probably the most annoying sound ever on camera. Let me try to touch it.
Playing jump rope now. I'm off to see the wizard. Wonderful.
Like I wasted $15. Come here. Come closer. Turn around.
He's enjoying it.
Okay.
Take a picture. I can't see it.